For whatever reason, my life is devoted to full mouth dental implants, and it's a really cool procedure, and I love it. Patients don't really know what happens once they go to sleep. They don't know how good of the quality of the work that you did on some level. They can see what you did, but they don't know. But we really believe that how you do anything is how you do everything. My favorite part of my job is torn between two things. It's really hard to beat the high of a smile reveal. I mean, it's really hard. When somebody is crying and overwhelmed with gratitude for something you did to make their life better, like that's a real high. That's really, really hard to replace. And so that's my favorite thing about my job that's outward for other people. The favorite high that I get is when you just figure out a problem, when you figure out how to solve something that was causing issues and you figure out how to solve it for the future. You just solve a new problem. That also gives quite the high.